Hello everyone, this is Amy. Walking straight up to a passerby and showing them a map screen in general is a quick way to find your way. But in South Korea, adding a quick, thoughtful phrase makes people incredibly happy to guide you. It's not about complex social barriers or being overly formal. It's simply a natural, friendly way to acknowledge that you're interrupting someone's busy day. When you need to stop someone on a busy sidewalk to ask for help, you can capture their attention smoothly with a kind apology. Let's practice this standard polite phrase for excuse me. Listen closely. 죄송합니다. Repeat after me. 죄송합니다. Once they pause and smile to acknowledge you, you can bridge instantly to your request by asking if it's okay to ask a question. Let's practice this natural permission phrase together. Listen closely. 물어봐도 되나요? Repeat after me. 물어봐도 되나요? Prefacing your navigation queries with this exact formula respects the pacing of the city, keeping your public interactions beautifully fluid and perfectly sophisticated. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart. Talk happy. See ya!